Another topic Google insisted on during I/O has been monetization. Google wants to help developers monetize their apps more and better. So the first announcement is that Google is adding one new type of promotional content, which will be called featured products. And that will help developers advertise in-app items that are sold in the app. Developers will be able to not only promote, but maybe promote a discount specifically. And also interestingly, featured products will appear just like any other promotional content in multiple places in the Play Store. And specifically on the store listing for users who already have an app installed, the featured products will appear right above the What's New section, which means that they will be front and center when someone who already has the app installed opens the store listing. Another feature regarding monetization is the introduction of a new A/B testing tool, this time for in-app items, which will be called Price Experiment and function very similarly to Google Play Experiment. What you will be able to do is to select any of the in-app items available in your app via Play Billing and test a price increase or decrease in a number of territories with the A/B test working as a confidence interval system. So a couple of tips for this once it rolls out are to try to use confidence interval higher than 90% when reasonable with the amount of traffic your app has, and to also check whenever a result is presented if the result matches the desired minimum detectable effect you had logged when starting your experiment. Regarding subscription apps, Google is also trying to make things a little more flexible by giving the possibility to have multiple base prices for each of the auto-renewing plan you set up in your app. The fourth feature announced regarding monetization is a new financial report called Strategic Guidance, which will include benchmark data from peer groups that will be generated by Google categories or Google tags. I think it's always good to have benchmark data, so it will be very interesting to mine these reports. The one caveat is to be careful about the fact that some of the apps that may be included in the peer group may not work similarly to your app, which means that sometimes the data may be skewed and what you think is representative of all of your competitors may only represent some of them. Technically not an announcement regarding monetization, although I find the mention interesting, is Google continuing to push the Play Points program. So they're announcing that apps that use the Play Points program will now be able to offer in-app items for purchase with Play Points from within the app, meaning users won't have to go to the Play Store again to purchase something with their Play Points. As part of the announcement, a couple of numbers were also interesting to note, and these are that Google is disclosing there's over 100 million members of the Google Play Points, and that the program is available in more than 30 countries now, with India and Mexico having been the latest additions.